everyone, welcome to today's English learning video. Our topic is good friends, great school memories. School life is not only about books and exams. It is also about the laughter, the games, and the friendships that make every day special. In this video, you will listen to an easy English story that will help you improve your listening skills while enjoying warm memories of school days. Let's practice English together and remember how good friends make school life happier and brighter. Stay with us and enjoy this simple, beautiful lesson. School days are a special time in our lives. They give us true friends, fun moments, and lessons we never forget. In this video, you will practice English while remembering the joy of friendship and the beautiful memories of school life that always stay in our hearts. When we think about school, we often think about books, teachers, homework, and exams. But school is not only about studying. School is also about the friends we make and the memories we share with them. Good friends make school life happy, exciting, and full of laughter. Great school memories stay in our hearts forever. Friendship in school is very special. We meet many people in our classrooms, on the playground, or during activities. Some of them become our close friends. A good friend is someone who listens to us, plays with us, studies with us, and supports us when we need help. With good friends, even boring days can become fun. One of the best things about school friends is sharing simple moments together. We share our lunch boxes, laugh at funny jokes, play games, and sometimes even get into little arguments. But soon we forgive each other and become close again. These little things create strong bonds. Great school memories are often connected with friends. For example, we remember the first time we played football together in the rain, the time we won a class competition, or when we worked hard on a group project and finally got a good grade. These experiences become stories we can tell again and again, even when we grow older. Sometimes school days are stressful because of exams or homework. But when we have good friends, the stress feels lighter. Friends encourage us to study, explain lessons we don't understand, and give us confidence before tests. We cheer each other up when things are difficult. That is why school friends are not only fun, but also very important for learning and growing. Celebrations at school also become unforgettable because of friends. Birthday parties, Teacher's Day, school fairs, and sports days are special events where we enjoy time together. We take photos, sing songs, and create happy memories. Later in life, these moments remind us of the joy of being young and carefree. Sometimes good friends even teach us life lessons. We learn how to share, how to forgive, how to trust, and how to care about others. These lessons are not written in textbooks, but they are very valuable. Friends help us become better people. When school ends and we move to different paths, we may not see our friends every day. Some friends may move to another city or country, but the memories stay in our hearts. A simple memory like sitting together in class or walking home after school can make us smile many years later. Good friends make great school memories, and great school memories remind us of the value of good friends. School is not only about knowledge, but also about friendship, kindness, and joy. That is why when we look back at our school days, we often say, those were the best days of our life. School is often called our second home, and friends are like our second family. We spend many hours at school every day, and those hours are filled not only with lessons, but also with laughter, fun, and unforgettable moments with friends. When we think about our school life, we don't just remember books or exams. We remember the people who stood beside us, the jokes we shared, and the adventures we experienced together. Good friends make our school life brighter. A good friend is someone who walks with us in good times and bad times. At school, we all face challenges. Sometimes we don't understand a subject, sometimes we feel nervous before exams, and sometimes we feel sad about personal problems. During these moments, friends play a big role. They comfort us, encourage us, and give us strength to keep going. For example, imagine being afraid to give a presentation in class. A good friend will smile at you, cheer for you, or maybe sit in the front row to give you courage. That small support makes a big difference. Good friends also make learning easier. We often study together, explain lessons to each other, and solve problems as a team. Group study before exams is a memory many students never forget. We stay up late, drink tea or snacks, and even though we sometimes talk more than study, we still learn something and enjoy every moment. One of the happiest parts of school life is the fun we have with friends. Break time is always special. The moment the bell rings, we run outside to talk, laugh, or play games. Some play football, basketball, or badminton. Others sit under a tree, share food, and talk about their favorite movies, songs, or dreams. Sometimes we do silly things together. Maybe we try to hide from teachers, or we secretly eat snacks in class, or we laugh so hard at a joke that the teacher asks us to stand up. These little mischiefs make school memories more colorful. Even small things become special when done with friends. Walking home together, riding bicycles side by side, or buying ice cream from the shop outside the school gate are moments that feel ordinary at the time, but later become precious memories. Friendship in school is not just about fun. It also teaches us valuable lessons. We learn to share our things like pens, books, or lunch. We learn to forgive quickly because small fights happen. But true friends never stay angry for long. We also learn trust, honesty, and loyalty. Sometimes a friend may go through a hard time, such as family problems or failing an exam. Being there for them teaches us compassion. In return, when we face difficulties, they stand by us. These lessons shape our character and stay with us for life. When school ends, we move forward in life. Some go to college, some start working, and some move to new cities. Meeting every day is no longer possible. Yet, the memories remain alive in our hearts. We remember sitting in the last bench and giggling during class. We remember the time the teacher praised us as a group. We remember the long talks after school when the sun was setting. We remember the silly fights and quick apologies. Even many years later, when we meet old friends, those memories come back fresh. We talk about the good old days and laugh as if no time has passed. That is the power of school friendship. Good friends and great school memories remind us of the beauty of being young. At that time, life was simple. Our biggest worries were homework, tests, or maybe losing in a game. We did not carry the heavy responsibilities of adult life. We were free to dream, laugh loudly, and enjoy the moment. These memories also give us comfort when life gets hard. When we feel stressed or tired, thinking about happy school moments can make us smile again. Friends from school are often the ones we can call even after many years, and they will still understand us. Good friends and great school memories are treasures that no money can buy. They stay in our hearts forever, giving us joy and strength. School teaches us knowledge, but friends teach us how to live with love, kindness, and laughter. That is why when people say school days are the best days, they are not wrong. So, let us always cherish our friends and keep our school memories alive. They are a part of who we are, and they will always be a shining chapter in the story of our lives. Thank you for joining me today as we remembered the joy of good friends and great school memories. School life was not only about lessons, but also about laughter, teamwork, and the bonds that shaped who we are today. Good friends made every moment special, and those memories continue to inspire us even now. No matter where life takes us, those friendships and school days will always stay in our hearts. Let's cherish them, and let's keep spreading kindness, friendship, and joy in our lives every day. See you next time.